Hey, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So we all know the new cars have issues. I've covered this numerous times. But unfortunately, Honda has been hit with another recall. And it really does seem like it's each week, or maybe every other week, that Honda or Acura has been hit with a recall. Now, some of them are major, others not so much, but it's something that you definitely have to take note of and get it fixed. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what just happened. So a couple weeks ago, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, also the NHTSA, announced that Honda's recalled 70,000 vehicles due to braking issues. And this actually has to do with their sister brand, Acura. So they're recalling the 2016 to 2020 Acura ILX vehicles. If you're not aware, they discontinued the ILX. They don't make it anymore, but it goes to show you that they're still taking care of the customers that have them, doing recalls on them if there's something wrong and getting you taken care of. So that's the positive thing. But the issue that's going on with these vehicles is that they said that contaminated brake fluid causes a seal inside the brake master cylinder to deform, which leads to an internal brake fluid leak. And of course, that would cause you to have reduced brake function. So if that were to happen and you're used to how your car drives and all of a sudden you're pushing the brake and it's not stopping like you think it would, if you've ever dealt with like brake fade, it's that kind of scenario. So if you kind of know that it stops in a certain amount of feet and all of a sudden you push the brake and it doesn't, it could definitely cause an accident. And that's what's going on with these vehicles here. The exact number is 70,658 vehicles. And it seems to be, that's probably a big number because I don't know how many ILXs they made between 2016 and 2020. I mean, it's not as popular as like a Honda Civic. So when it's like 70,000 vehicles, that's a big portion of probably how many they've made. And so the fix for this is pretty simple. The dealer will replace the brake master cylinder. Of course, it's free of charge. And they'll be mailing out letters starting on February 2nd. So you have about a month and a half, and then they'll send you letters. But like I said, you can always call your dealer and give them your VIN number, and they can look it up and see if yours is one of the affected ones. Just because if you don't get a letter, it doesn't mean you're not affected. It could have been a letter that's been lost or something like that. So I always advise people to check with a dealer just to make sure, just so you're taken care of. Like I said, a lot of people are keeping their vehicles, so a 2016 ILX is a good vehicle. So you want to make sure it's keeping you safe, staying on the road, and doesn't cause an accident. So again, let me know in the comment section if you guys have one of these vehicles. Like I said, I've seen a couple of them. They're not as popular as the counterpart from Honda, of course. That's why it is concerning when there's a big number like that for an Acura vehicle, because they don't sell quite as many. So I want to make sure everyone's kept safe out there. So again, let me know if you have any questions, comments. I'll definitely get back to you. I appreciate all of you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.